In this video, we're going to be going over everything you need to know about the ChatGPT search feature. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To activate the search feature, you simply need to click on the search button on the prompt box, and it'll highlight blue. Once activated, anything you type or ask ChatGPT, it'll be able to pull information from the web. For example, I'm simply going to ask, what are the best affordable laptops for video editing in 2025? It has now provided a list of different laptops with a breakdown of the features and specs. Then at the bottom there is a sources button, which if we click this, it will bring up a full list of all the websites ChatGPT used to get the information for the response that it provided. If we click on any of these, it will take us straight to the website. ChatGPT will also automatically activate the search feature based on the prompt you enter. For example, if I type something that requires up-to-date information, such as what is the weather like in Miami right now, as you can see, it has activated the search feature, then provided the response we are looking for. There are many benefits of using this feature. Starting off, as mentioned, it is able to provide up-to-date information. It provides citations for the information it gives, which is useful if you want to explore the topics further, or if you need to provide sources for a piece of work you're doing. And you can verify the facts that ChatGPT provides by going straight to the source. That's all we have for this video on the ChatGPT search feature. Click the first link in the description if you want to purchase the ultimate ChatGPT playbook, which provides everything you need to know about ChatGPT, thousands of different prompts for a variety of different use cases, and much more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.